Hi Rachna,
Hello,
how are you?
all good?
Ready, huh? Our chef
Yeah.
Rachna is ready.
I'll just check out how many people are there.
I think 13. It's showing 13, I don't know.
We'll wait for some more.
Yeah.
ये बोल रही हो बेटा अनम्यूट हो ना क्या ही नहीं है बच्चा तो ये क्या ये दबाना है तो ये तो नहीं दिख रहा था पहले उसने म्यूट कर रखा है वही करेगी अनम्यूट चलो ये अपनी आवाज है इसे तो अपनी आवाज को म्यूट कर देते हैं अपन अपनी आवाज नहीं जानी थी ना
Hi Ritu, are you able to hear the audio या मेरा problem है? Unmute कहाँ किया? सब muted है यार. अब ठीक है. अब ठीक.
How long do I wait,
ठीक है.
Sajnita?
Yeah, Rachna, I generally start the meetings at the right time. Actually, there's
So
nothing
ठीक है,
to.
then we should even I would want to do that.
Yeah, we should start. It's okay.
Okay. So do I begin?
Yeah, but the main.
Am I audible to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. So hi everybody, Rotary greetings. A warm welcome to each and every one of you today. I would like to request President Rotarian Sajnita Parwar of Rotary Club of Jhansi Rani to please call upon the meeting to order.
Good evening, everybody. I welcome each of you in this webinar today. We are really fortunate to have the dynamic Rachna, who does all her cooking with love, her secret ingredient. So today she's here to leak her secret ingredient and train each of us to bake choco chip granola espresso tea cake, choco chip espresso tea cake, and Shrewsbury cookies. I'm very bad at baking and maybe even pronouncing also. I'm sorry, Rachna. I request you to please call upon the meeting. Thank you, everyone.
We are going to be doing two items today, Shrewsbury cookies and the espresso choco chip tea cake, granola tea cake. So what I will say is, I will start with one some time, and then we'll come to the cake part. So we'll begin with the Shrewsbury cookie. The ingredients are butter, flour, corn flour, sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, what you can do is just take your regular sugar, household granular sugar, and mixer mein chala do. That's it. Vanilla essence and milk. The milk should be cold.
Rachna, you can even announce that they can put their queries in the chat box so that you take up the questions during the baking.
If you have queries, put your queries in the chat box, please. Then we can get back to you afterwards. Because it will be slightly disturbing between the recipe. Okay, so this is 100 grams, sorry, this is 60 grams of butter. This is slightly chilled butter. I haven't taken room temperature butter because it's too very hot nowadays. And I'll whisk this up. Now I'll gradually start adding the sugar. And be very careful. जब आप sugar डालते हो तो थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे mix करो, otherwise it will be all over the place.
All those who are baking along with Rachna, please अपना video on कर लीजिए so that Rachna can.
Yeah, and if you want, wherever you want me to go slow, tell me, I'll pause for you.
I can see only Ritu participating. Ritu.
We'll beat this till it's very light and fluffy. And the color changes. See, the color was yellow in color. Now, as you keep beating it, the color will start turning lighter. So when it turns almost cream in color, and you feel that it's not falling off your whisk, you'll know that it's well beaten.
It's not falling, abhi to.
Please come again.
I'm saying it's not falling, abhi.
If it's not falling, that means your butter is ready. I mean, it's beaten. You don't need to beat it anymore.
Rachna, if you can bring your screen, it will become more interesting.
Is this okay?
Hey, मतलब you're not coming on the main screen. Like go side by side gallery view जो होता है.
नहीं
Is
आ
this
रहा है.
visible now?
नहीं,
No, it's visible.
you are definitely visible. ठीक है, yeah.
Okay. I am on Spotlight, Sujita.
Yes, you are.
Yeah. See, the
Yeah.
color has changed. This is turned cream in color. That means this is light and fluffy now. It's turned into a blob. It's not, runny. So this means that the butter and the sugar have been beaten well.
Rachna, can you
Now
see
to
mine?
this- Yeah.
Can you see mine?
Yeah, it's okay. It's perfect. To this, we'll add vanilla essence and just mix it up. Now, whenever you're baking, please try to use freshly sieved flour always, because it gets aerated by sieving. I've taken, this is 100 grams maida. I've taken maida, 100 grams of maida and 30 grams of corn flour. And I'll sieve this together. And I'll add this to the butter and sugar mix. and I'll mix this gradually. Whenever you're needing flour for your cookies, never knead the maida. You always have to just bring it together. जितना आपका मुट्ठी बन जाए सिर्फ उतना ही आपको इकट्ठा करना है, उतना ही आपको मिक्स करना है, आपको मलना नहीं है जैसे हम लोग रोटी के लिए या और किसी चीज के लिए मैदा मलते हैं.
Hello, hi Rachna.
Hi.
रचना, मैंने तो अभी स्टार्ट किया है, उसमें क्या डाला है कुछ बताएंगे दोबारा?
मैंने बटर और शुगर बीट किया है.
हाँ
बीट करने के बाद में मैंने उसमें वैनिला एसेंस डाला है और मैदा और कॉर्नफ्लावर सीव करके डाल दिया है. अब इसमें हम मिल्क ऐड करेंगे. आई एम जस्ट सी द मूवमेंट ऑफ माय फिंगर्स. आपको बहुत ही लाइटली करना है. मिल्क उतना ही ऐड करना है जितना ये डो इकट्ठा होने के लिए हमको जरूरत है. आई थिंक दैट मेरे डो को जरूरत नहीं है. आई विल नॉट नीड एनी लिक्विड एट ऑल, सो आई विल नॉट बी एडिंग मिल्क. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर फ्लावर. हर इंसान के घर का फ्लावर अलग होता है, सो दैट यू हैव टू कीप योर आई ओपन. My dough has come together. Now I'm going to keep this in the fridge to chill. You can either keep it in an airtight container or wrap it up in cling wrap. I don't like to use plastic or throw plastic, so I'll just cover it up in a bowl and keep it in the fridge to chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes. जिससे I am able to just roll it out easily. I'll cover it up and keep it in the fridge.
इसको ढक दो, फ्रिज में रख के आओ, जाओ ढक के.
Rachna, you have almost 27 participants.
You
कुछ
have
लोगों
what?
27 participants.
Okay, great.
कुछ लोग शायद थोड़ा join किया.
I hope I'm clear. सब कुछ समझ में आया? Where I'm here on the same page. All of
Okay.
us.
All clear.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now ये हमने कुकी का फर्स्ट पार्ट करके I've kept it in the fridge to rest. Okay. जब तक ये थोड़ा सा harden होगा, we will start with the first component of the granola cake, tea cake. Okay. So for that, I am taking. This is 35 grams of rolled oats. In a mixing bowl, I am taking 35 grams of oats, almonds. These are 10 grams of almonds or 10 to 12 pieces of almonds. This is 10 grams of chopped walnuts. I chopped the almonds also. Again, around 3 to 4 whole walnuts. This is 4 grams of chia seeds. Chia seeds अगर आपके पास नहीं है, perfectly okay. This just adds to the crunch and the taste. I like that, so I use it. This is cocoa powder. 6 grams of cocoa powder. I'll mix this up. And in the meantime, just put your oven to preheat on 160 degrees. And we'll be putting, if you have a if you have an OTG, we will keep both the rods on. नीचे वाला ऊपर वाला दोनों rods on रखेंगे, and we will be using the middle rack. Okay, just switch on the switch on your oven. Suppose if you have a micro convection oven, आप तो glass अपनी turntable पे ही रख देंगे. Then we'll be keeping a tray on the turntable. ये हमने dry ingredients mix कर लिए. Now to this I'll be adding honey. This is 4 grams or 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is 4 ml or 1 teaspoon of neutral oil. We always have to use a neutral flavored oil because बाद में नहीं तो baking के बाद में you get a very bad rancid smell. Never use olive oil or soybean oil in your cakes and cookies because बाद में उसका after smell is really bad.
Rachna, you have to keep the tray in the oven.
You have to what?
You have to keep that tray in the oven.
No, first we will be mixing all the ingredients and then taking a baking tray. I put a piece of parchment on top of it. I'm going to spread all these ingredients on this and we'll put it in the oven to make the granola. This is the granola part of the cake. This is going to be a very dry mixture. And I'll spread it out thinly on the baking tray.
Hello, Rachna. रचना, इसमें कॉफी पाउडर भी डाला आपने?
क्या?
कॉफी पाउडर भी डाला है?
कॉफी पाउडर नहीं, कॉफी पाउडर बैटर में डालेंगे.
अच्छा, मेल्ट करके डालेंगे.
हाँ, केक बैटर में डालेंगे. ये सिर्फ ग्रानोला का क्रंच पार्ट जो है उसका केक का क्रंच पार्ट है.
अच्छा, ठीक.
क्रंच देगा.
ओके.
ठीक है.
थैंक यू.
Rachna, I think we can unmute everybody so that.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm putting this in the oven for around 10 minutes. This is going to be half baked. Suppose अगर आपको you want to have a chocolate flavored granola as a breakfast cereal sort of, तो आप उसको थोड़ा सा you can keep it for around 2 minutes more to make it more crunchy. We're going to put it in between the cakes. We cannot make it into a very hard granola. So I'm half baking it this for 10 minutes. I'm putting this in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius.
(160° in the OTG also?
Yeah, OTG 160 or yeah, 160 degrees is the OTG also. Same temperature. Now I can take a few questions if anybody has any.
You have to
4 minutes है, 5 minutes है अपने पास में.
You need to unmute everyone. Rachna, you need to unmute everyone. I can't see anybody writing in the chat box.
He'll do that.
अगर आप सभी अपना वीडियो ऑन करेंगे तो रचना के लिए थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग
and if you want to, अगर आप वीडियो ऑन करेंगे ना, आपको अगर क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं तो प्लीज tap to unmute and then you can ask me any question, please. No questions?
No questions as yet. No.
Okay, then I'll think I'll get the cookie batter out. अभी थोड़ा सा chill हो गया होगा. We can start it. I'll put it in the freezer so we can start again.
Rachna, you can ask your moderator to unmute everyone. अभी तक किसी को unmute हुआ नहीं है.
He's saying that they have the permission to unmute if they want to.
Yeah. So everybody, अगर आपके पास कुछ questions हो तो आपके पास जो एक button है mute unmute का, आप खुद को unmute करके questions पूछ सकते हैं.
We are starting the cookies. We start shaping the cookies. There are 2-3 options. Either you can just roll them very, very lightly. Take a fork, dip it in flour, and this, just press it into this. Or what you can do is sprinkle flour on your counter. And very lightly roll it out. Yeah. And taking a cookie cutter. अगर आपके पास cookie cutter नहीं है, no issues. आप एक कटोरी ले लीजिए and just cut out circles. Very delicately lift it up and put it on your baking tray. I have lined the baking tray with parchment paper again. If you don't have parchment paper, no issues. You can easily use aluminium foil.
This parchment paper must be available in Jhansi.
Yeah, it is available. Aajkal everything is available.
Okay.
There is a home baker in every corner of Jhansi.
parchment paper and butter paper is the same, right?
No, it's not the same. Butter
It's not
paper is not bake proof. Parchment paper is bake proof.
Okay, so
Parchment paper pe none of your bakes will stick on parchment, but they
Acha,
will
okay.
stick. They might stick on butter paper.
Right. Okay, because sometimes when you don't get parchment, I use butter paper and
Yeah, you can use. There is a very good option. जो आपका the easiest option is अगर जो आपका अमूल butter आता है, उसका
उसका
wrapper,
paper.
that's parchment. You can use that.
That's parchment. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Whenever you place your cookies, please keep a gap. These are especially when you make butter-based cookies. Always keep a gap of at least 1 or 1.5 inch for them to expand. Otherwise, they'll get all stuck to each other.
Yeah. These can be stored for how long?
These cookies can be stored for almost a month in an airtight container. The cookie dough can be stored in the freezer for over a month in an airtight container.
Oh, nice.
The cookie dough can be stored.
So instead of maida, can you use gehu ka atta?
Yes, you can. But then gehu ke aate mein it is more granular, so you will have to add butter. Milk. I mean, grainier flour जो होता है, जो मोटा अनाज होता है, that always takes more liquid.
अच्छा, kneading के लिए.
I'll just check my granola.
Okay. रीतू, राधिका, आप साथ में कुकिंग कर रहे हो वैदेही, तो आप लोग अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
This is done. The granola is ready, and अब I'll leave it to cool for some time. ये थोड़ा सा black लग रहा है, जला हुआ लग रहा है, but वो जला हुआ नहीं. That's basically because of the cocoa powder.
Okay.
What are you saying, Rachna?
Yeah. Please come.
Hey, Sajnita, what are you saying?
No, nothing.
Rachna, can you see my cookie? Rachna,
Please show me. दिख नहीं रही, थोड़ा सा फोन अपना कैमरा नीचे करो. How big have you made it?
Huh?
Yeah, good. Just take a fork, dip it in flour, and then just make an impression on top.
Okay. Nice. इसमें कितनी बनेंगी रचना? Approx?
It depends कि आप रोल करके बनाते हो या मतलब लोई छोटी बना के बनाते हो या आप किस साइज के बनाते हो. It all depends on that. It all depends on the size of the cookie.
रीतू आ रही हूँ हमारे घर खाने.
आ जाओ. हाँ, दिख नहीं रही ना इन लोगों को, मेरी दिख नहीं रही है. मेरे को कैमरा स्विच ऑफ वो करना पड़ेगा.
तो रचना, इसकी थिकनेस भी थोड़ा कंसीडर करके रखना पड़ेगा ना, ज्यादा मोटा नहीं बनाना है और पतला भी नहीं बनाना है.
नहीं, पर अगर आप ज्यादा मोटा बनाओगे तो उतना ही टाइम बेक होने में लगेगा.
ओके.
कैमरा तो ये See, Rachna. See, these are my cookies.
They make them even. edges पे cracks नहीं होने चाहिए.
हमें राधिका की कुकिंग नहीं लग रही है.
Crack नहीं होना चाहिए edge पे. And try to make it.
Okay, अभी first try है ना.
Yeah,
Okay.
ठीक है, and don't give too much of hand wheat. बहुत ज़्यादा roll करोगी, बहुत ज़्यादा
Okay.
hand wheat होगी तो it will start, the butter will start melting. Don't do that. अगर ऐसा है
Okay.
तो make a few pieces and shape करके put the tray in the fridge. Chill that up and then थोड़ी देर बाद उसको take करो. Okay.
Okay.
So now I've shaped these many. I'm putting this in the oven at 160 degrees again for 10 minutes और edges हल्के से golden होना शुरू हो जाते हैं तब तक. On the middle rack with both the rods on, and if you have a convection mode in your OTG with the fan on also.
अरे स्टील की
Talking about some specific oil, like what is that oil? Can you please elaborate on that?
Are you having any questions? अभी हमारे पास में time है.
Yeah, Rachna, you were talking
किसी को
about
question?
oil. किसी oil के बारे में आप बात कर रहे थे कि don't use olive oil.
Yeah, you shouldn't be using olive oil क्योंकि it gives out a rancid smell after baking. After taste and after smell isn't good. Only in sweet items.
नहीं, so which oil are you using?
Sunflower oil. You can use sunflower oil or you can use canola.
Okay.
Hello,
Yeah.
Rachna. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Rachna, I want to ask you something. On which
Yeah.
rack did you keep the cookies? On the lower rack or the upper rack?
The middle
convection
rack.
for-
Middle.
Actually, we have two racks now. One is low and one is high for the convection.
Okay.
Yeah, for the micro convection. So which rack should be used?
Then I guess you should keep it on the low. Do you have rods on both the sides, top and bottom? Or do you have
No,
a
no.
rod at the back?
No, on top.
On top, you don't have a bottom rod?
Nini, I'm asking about the micro convection.
Micro convection. Okay, for that you will have to keep it on the turntable directly, or you can use this stand.
Let me see. Wait.
You can keep it on this.
Okay.
This fire.
Yeah,
this
that's
fire
what
rack.
I'm asking. Like for convection, we have two rods. One is the lower one is the higher one. So which rod should be
You're
used?
talking about micro convection, right?
Yeah.
Micro convection. When you preheat the oven, after that you put it on the convection mode. You keep this on the turntable in the microwave. You must be having this sort of stand with your microwave.
Yeah, we have. That's what I'm asking. We have two. One is the small one is the bigger
okay,
one.
Okay. You keep the taller one. This is a taller one.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Anybody having any questions?
Pawan,
Now may I ask for the next, for the cake part?
Hi.
Any questions, anybody?
अच्छा, कुछ और modifications हम कर सकते हैं तो वो भी बताते जाओ. You can make any modifications. जैसे I just asked.
किस चीज में modification?
जिन भैया को फोन कर दो अपने फोन से.
I think किसी का speaker on है, so disturbance आ रहा है.
No. Modifications I was talking like कि अगर मैदा की जगह हमने आटा use किया, so we can do that. उस तरह से.
You can use atta instead of sugar. You can use jaggery powder.
Okay.
आप उसके साथ में इलायची पाउडर ऐड कर दीजिए. You will get a nice deshi sort of flavor. If you don't want to use butter, you can use deshi ghee.
Okay.
You can use घर का ghee.
तो
But make it a point कि आप if you are using wheat flour, कम से कम 3-4 बार उसको आप सीव करिए, क्योंकि उसमें बिल्कुल भी चोकर नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, one more
अगर
question.
थोड़ा सा भी चोकर होगा तो आपकी कुकी हार्ड हो जाएगी.
One more question.
या
कि अगर हमने घी इस्तेमाल किया और तो बटर में तो थोड़ा सा सॉल्टेड टेस्ट होता है. We'll miss that.
Yeah, okay. Again. I have used salted butter. In the recipe, I have written unsalted butter. Amul का unsalted butter होता है. Just in case अगर आपको नहीं मिले and the recipe asks for salt, तो आप वो salt skip कर दीजिए.
Okay. Thank you.
And if you use deshi ghee, add a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And one more thing I forgot to say in the beginning, जो measuring cups होते हैं, they are of two types. One is the European and one is the American cup. One is 200 ml and one is 250 ml. If you follow any particular recipe, please make it a point कि आप recipe में ये देख लें कि कितने ml है. Only then go ahead. Otherwise, suppose if the recipe calls for 200 grams of flour और आपके पास में 200 ml का 1 cup of flour and आपके पास में 250 ml का है cup. So आपका liquid content कम होने की वजह से you will get a bad recipe, bad output in the end. So always be particular. First, read your recipe, understand your oven. In baking, that's the most important thing, to understand your oven. I have a Morphy Richards 40 liters. If I have 2 Morphy Richards and both of them are 40 liters, both will act in a different way. Every piece of oven is different. So you have to understand your oven, you have to understand your ingredients, you have to understand your weighing cups, spoons, and as far as possible, if you have a weighing scale, I would suggest you use a weighing scale.
Okay.
If anybody has any questions, नहीं तो हम आगे बढ़े for the next part of the cake. Please tell me. Should I go ahead या मैं रुकूं?
I think Radhika तुम्हारा phone शायद
Carry on.
unmute कर लो.
Carry
ऐसा
on,
लगता है-
Rachna.
Yeah, should I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, so आपके measure cups में ml होता है. In that आप just measure 75 ml of water and heat it in the microwave for 20 seconds. ये पानी आपका इतना गर्म होना चाहिए that you are able to put your finger inside it. You are able to hold your finger. बहुत ज़्यादा, it should not be very hot and it should not be very cold. Now इसमें we'll add coffee. This is 10 grams of coffee. If you don't like a very strong coffee flavor, you can take 8 grams also.
Rachna, show your this thing. इसको हटाना.
So what? What do you want to see, Ritu?
नहीं, I mean, I can see your what you are making actually.
Okay. So
Mixing-
we are
mixing
making an
of the
espresso shot. हमने shot बनाने के लिए we just kept this here. We'll keep this for around 2-3 minutes so that the coffee seeps in. Up now, what we'll do is we'll take butter. This is 45 grams of unsalted butter. I've taken this at room temperature. What I'll do is I'll just pop this inside the oven for around 5 seconds. This should melt, but इसका घी नहीं बनना चाहिए. इसमें थोड़े से solid pieces रहने चाहिए. I'll just come back and I mean just if it's very soft, you can put it in for 3-4 seconds only.
इसको बाहर ले जैसे ये रखो।
There are some solid parts. पूरा पिघला नहीं है और उसका घी नहीं बना है. This is what I meant by melting it. Now I'll beat this. To this, I'll add the condensed milk.
No. Juno.
अभी मेरी कुकी बन रही है, so my oven is already in the heating mode. Suppose अगर आपका heated नहीं है, so before starting this process, I would suggest that you all switch on your preheat your oven for at 160 degrees for 10 minutes.
You can't use the homemade butter, right?
Yes, you can use, but उसमें से water एकदम बहुत अच्छे से squeeze out हो गया होना चाहिए.
Okay.
Water content बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें, क्योंकि usually homemade butter में water content काफी होता है. It's not pressed out properly. Suppose here again I am using salted butter. Suppose if you are using unsalted butter, add a pinch of salt to this. I am not adding salt because I have used salted butter. Now to this I'll be adding the coffee concoction and mix it up again.
Which coffee? Any specific coffee? No.
I've used Nescafe. You can use Brew Gold. You can use Davidoff. Any coffee, whichever you like. Nothing specific.
I can take a round dish also.
I beg your pardon?
I can take a round dish.
Round baking dish. Baking
Yeah.
tin, you mean? Yeah, absolutely. Why not?
I mean,
Can you see my cookie is ready? Is it visible?
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
This is ready. Now I'm going to keep this on the wire rack to cool. I'm lifting it up from the tray. I will not leave it on the tray because the tray is hot. Usme, cooking continue होती रहेगी. You just have to lift it up with a smooth or sharp spatula or something like that. जो rice वाला पलटा sort of होता है, whatever it is called. सबके घर में अलग-अलग नाम होता है उसको. उससे आप pick करके you can keep it on the wire rack to cool.
हाँ रचना
Yeah. Yeah, please.
Running down.
Say something.
Rachna,
Yeah.
can you hear
Tell
me?
me, Ritu.
Abhi, my cookies are little. I'm saying my cookies are little soft.
They will be very, very soft. That is why haath se nahi uthana. You have to lift it up with something sharp and flat. Because it's loaded with butter. तो इसीलिए
And
आपको
then-
हाथ से नहीं उठाना. Yeah, please. Your voice is.
So then ऊपर वाले रैक में रखना है.
उठा के वायर रैक पे ऐसे करने के लिए रखना है.
Okay. Alright.
We move back to the cake again. Take your cake tin and pour some oil into it and spread it out. And take these के अंदर we top से थोड़ा ऊपर so that it's easy.
ना आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है. रचना आवाज बहुत
Yeah.
ब्रेक हो रही है.
Just one sec, I'll just check it. Okay, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you take a piece of parchment, measure it from this side of the tin, from the lower part of the tin, lengthwise, and I've cut a long strip, put it inside your cake tin, and उसको थोड़ा सा top से बड़ा रखिए, so that it's easy for you to pull out the cake. That's the idea, to keep the collar on the side. Okay, after taking out the cookie, I put my oven to preheat again क्योंकि अभी time है केक oven में डालने के लिए, oven में डालने time है, so मैं तो करने के लिए अब लगा है. Now this is a mixture of butter, condensed and coffee tea. Now this will be adding vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix up. I will see the flour. This is 90 grams of maida, all-purpose into it, and to this I am going to add 2 grams of baking powder. 2 grams baking powder is 1/3. Note this down. 2 grams of baking powder is 1/3 of a teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon. इसका मैं 1/3 लेने वाली हूँ. And 1.5 gram of baking soda. So 1.5 gram will be 1/4 spoon plus 1/8 of a spoon. I'm telling this to you. मैंने मतलब measure किया है. I weigh it with my weighing scale. But आप लोग को easy करने के लिए I'm telling you this. This is a half teaspoon measure. इसका मैं half ले रही हूँ. So that.
Wait. Phone turned off.
Rashna, we cannot see you.
I guess network chala
I
gaya.
think my phone got switched off. Now I'll just have a look at that. मैंने I mean कहाँ तक आप लोग ने मेरे को देखा? Please tell me.
You were telling about the spoon size, that to make it easy for us.
Okay, ठीक है. So I took for 2 grams of just 1 second.
Rachna, your video is also not there. Yeah.
Yeah, just 1 second.
बस तो वीडियो पे नहीं आ रही.
राधिका, तुम्हारा कैसा चल रहा है? Oh, nice. Heart shape cookies. Good. अब इसको रैक पर रख दो ना, नहीं तो वो ऐसे फैल जाएगी. तुम्हारा ऑडियो ऑन नहीं है, ऑडियो आवाज नहीं आ रही.
कुकीज बन गई है.
Oh, lovely. क्या बात है. Nice. First time बनाई ना?
या नहीं पहले.
अच्छा, पहले बना चुके हो. ओके, ठीक है. Nice. तो तुम्हारी कुकीज में वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई कि बटर मतलब उसको रखना पड़ा, नहीं तो वो फूट जाती?
नहीं प्रॉपर
तो
बन गई.
कम बटर डाला?
नहीं जितना मेजरमेंट बताया था ना उतना ही करके रखा था.
ओके.
उसने पहले ही लिस्ट में बता दिया था ना, रचना ने इतना चाहिए, वो पूरा करके रखा है उसने.
या रचना, हाय.
कुकीज दिखाओ रचना को दिखाओ.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was saying that baking powder, I have taken 2 grams of baking powder. That is 1/3 of a teaspoon. ये 1 teaspoon measure है. उसका मैंने 1 part लिया. I mean, I divided it into 3 parts. Approximately 3 parts में divide करके 1/3 लिया है. And 1.5 gram of baking soda is 1/4 teaspoon. This is a half teaspoon measure. इसका मैं half लूँगी.
की तरफ घुमा.
That is 1/4 teaspoon and 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon is 1 page. So this is how I made it easy for you. Otherwise, I usually wait on the way.
नहीं सूखेगी.
अब इसको हम gradually fold करेंगे. We will not beat it because the thing is मैदा डालने के बाद केक में we should never beat the batter. We should always either, if you are a novice, a beginner, you use the cut and fold method. This is cut and fold, cut and fold, or you mix it very gradually, very slowly. Never try not to use a whisk.
There's nothing like clockwise, anti-clockwise movement. Nothing like that.
If you are a left-hander, your hand will move on the other side.
Okay.
And even if you use a whisk, I'll show you with a whisk also. Do it very, very gradually. Don't be vigorous, because if you are vigorous, you will raise the gluten in the batter, in the flour, and we don't want that. वो सिर्फ breads में हमको चाहिए होता है, not in cakes. Otherwise, your cake will become stretchy. Even if you use a whisk, बहुत lightly करना चाहिए. Can you see this is a very fluid batter?
Yeah.
Always, whenever you're making a batter, always make it a point to scrape the sides. नहीं तो आपके dry portion side में ऊपर लगे रह जाएंगे, they'll not get mixed. The recipe asks for chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. I am taking some of both because the chocolate chunks will melt and they will give a very good taste. So I'm adding 90% of the total chocolates. I'll leave some for garnish on top. I'm mixing the chocolate chunk and the chocolate chips very slowly.
See, Rachna, the chocolate chunks, जो dark chocolate का वो पूरा आता है tablet. You can use...
उसमें से chop कर लिया मैंने.
Okay, fine, ठीक है. You can even use Bonville.
Yeah. I use cooking chocolate.
Okay.
So I use a half kg bar.
Okay.
Yeah.
गोभी आलू फ्राई करके बनाऊंगी.
Can you listen to the crunch?
Yeah.
कितना crisp हो गया है.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll add around 70% of this. And again, very gradually, एकदम हल्के हाथ से we'll be mixing it. Just
ये
hold it.
70% क्या ऐड किया?
Yeah, cheese 70% of the granola and 90% of the chocolate. Now I'll add this to the cake tin. Whenever you're baking, always fill your cake tin, or even if you're making a cupcake, fill it up only 2/3. Not more than that, because you need to give space for the cake to rise.
ठीक है. फ्राई करोगी ना, देख लो फ्राई करोगी तो पता लग जाएगा. धो लेना अच्छे से, बहुत गंदा है. आज वो प्याज कितने दिए थे?
ओके, इसके ऊपर हम थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ डालेंगे चॉकलेट चिप्स एंड द चंक्स. And then the granola.
So baking the
granola is on the higher side. बचेगा तो perfectly okay. Now what I'll do is I'll take a knife and मैं gradually एक corner में dip करूंगी उसको and I'll just swirl it around. So I'll get a marble of the granola and the chocolate. We'll just tap the cake tin to let out the air, and then we'll put this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 160 degrees on the lower rack with only the bottom rod on in the OTG. If you have a convection mode में तो आप directly micro convection में तो वैसे ही चलेगा direct.
हेलो रचना,
Yeah.
ये माइक्रो कन्वेक्शन में केक टिन टर्न टेबल पे डायरेक्टली रख दिया, वायर पे नहीं रखना.
नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है. You can keep it on the lower rack also.
Okay, or we can keep on the turntable also directly.
Yes, yes, you can absolutely do that also. You can keep it on the
रचना?
wire. Yeah.
रचना ओटीजी में एक बार रिपीट करो फिर से, किसमें रखना है?
OTG में दोनों माइक्रो कन्वेक्शन और OTG दोनों में 160 डिग्रीज एंड लोअर रैक पे नीचे वाला कॉइल पॉइंट करके. नीचे वाला कॉइल नीचे वाले रैक पे हम इसलिए रखते हैं क्योंकि केक को हम नीचे से राइज कराना चाहते हैं ऊपर, तो इसीलिए हमको नीचे से हीट देनी होती है, ऊपर से हीट नहीं देनी होती है. दैट इज द आइडिया.
ओके, थैंक यू.
या और हम ये टी केक बना रहे हैं. टी केक इज यूजुअली मफिन मटेरियल बिकॉज इट्स अ ड्राई केक. इसका टेक्सचर एंड कपकेक्स और स्पॉन्जेस का टेक्सचर इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. द बैटर कंसिस्टेंसी इज आल्सो डिफरेंट. The batter consistency is slightly more runny in your sponges and your cupcake batter, and tea cakes and muffins में muffins are uniced cupcakes, तो उसका बैटर टेक्सचर थोड़ा सा थिक होता है. Does anybody have any questions?
Radhika की cookies बन गई है. Did you see them?
Yeah. दिखाओ राधिका.
Hi Rachna. Hi Rachna, Meeta here.
Meeta.
Yeah, Nitika's mom, Meeta here.
Hi Meeta.
Can you please just एक rerun दे सकती हो about that espresso batter? मेरा phone बंद हो गया था. I mean, I missed that portion. That runny espresso batter you made before adding chocolate and granola. Can you just give me a rerun?
I took room temperature butter. उसको 5 seconds. I put it in the microwave for it to melt, the butter to melt. It should not turn into ghee. उसमें थोड़ी सी lumpy parts रहने चाहिए.
ठीक है.
Because आप बाहर निकाल के उसको beat करोगे तो homogeneous बन जाएगा.
Right.
Okay. After that, you add the condensed milk into it and then beat it. जिससे बहुत अच्छा fluffy batter sort of हो जाएगा.
Perfect.
Yeah. उसके बाद में you add the coffee liquor.
Coffee liquor में आपने कितना कॉफी और कितना पानी डाला?
10 grams of coffee and 10 grams of coffee and 75 ml of water.
Warm water or boiling hot?
Warm water उतना warm होना चाहिए कि आप उसमें finger रख सको. It should not be hot.
Lukewarm.
Yeah, lukewarm.
Okay. Then you just add the coffee liquor.
If you are using unsalted butter, you add a pinch of salt. And if you are using salted butter, skip the salt.
Okay.
के बाद में we sieved the then add the vanilla, and then we
cannot hear.
Yeah, vanilla 1
Hello.
teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
Then after that we added the dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and baking soda.
Okay, perfect. ये बाकी जो right ingredients तो आपके वो pre-read में है ना, the right amount of ingredients?
Yeah, सब कुछ है. खाली मैंने baking soda और baking powder I measured it today because I usually weigh it on the weighing.
That I could hear. That I got it. बस मेरे को वो liquid जब वो मतलब बना रही थी batter वो miss हो गया था. Sorry. Thanks for doing a rerun for me. Thank you.
Okay, I'll just this is chopped chocolate. I'll show you how to dip the cookie into it. I'll just melt this and come microwave में. On मतलब 5 seconds के spurts पे मैं इसको heat करूँगी. अगर 5 seconds से melt नहीं होता, I'll put it inside again for another 5 seconds.
Sajnita?
Yes, Meeta, hi. How are you?
I'm good, dear. Will you be sharing the recording with us as well, or is it possible? I don't know if it is technically possible or no.
It is definitely possible. I'll share it with you.
Okay, thank you so much. Dear. Thank you.
Most welcome. Pleasure.
I've melted this chocolate. This has become smooth. So now I'll dip the chocolate and I'll show you how to present the cookie. One way of presenting the cookie. You can either do this or you can fill this up in a piping bag. I'll just make a piping bag and I'll show you. I made this cone with a piece of parchment paper.
This on cooling will automatically get set, right?
Yeah.
What is this, Rachna?
These are sprinkles, sugar sprinkles.
Oh, what we Mira soft, that type of things.
Yeah.
मीरा सॉफ्ट जो होती थी जब स्कूल में मिलती थी
नहीं, not that. ये केक की गार्निश के लिए sugar sprinkles आती है.
Okay. So you get them here?
Yeah. You get everything in Lassi now. You can dress it up with any chocolate. You can dress it up with either white chocolate or dark or a combination of both.
Very beautiful.
Anybody having any questions? Because I am through और अभी बस bake होकर के cake निकलेगा तो I'll post the pictures later on because I'll not be cutting. After baking the cake, do not cut it immediately because पहली बात उसका आपका crumb texture खराब हो जाएगा and secondly you need the fat to settle. After the butter and the oil, if you're using oil or if you're using either of the fats, you need that to settle. Once it settles, only then you can slice it. You get the cake should come down to room temperature, even if you're baking a bread. Set it down to room temperature, let it stay for around couple of hours more, and only then slice it. Never be in a hurry to slice cake. Any questions?
Radhika, any questions? Ritu, any questions? How is your baking going on?
No, thank you so much. It was all clear. Good going.
Poonam is also baking. Do you have any questions?
Poonam, any
Hello,
questions?
Rachna.
No, it's okay, fine.
I think Radhika is asking something.
Hello.
Yeah.
रचना
बोलो
बहुत
राधिका।
अच्छे से इतनी प्रॉपर समझाती हो, वो क्या क्वेश्चन करेंगे इतने अच्छे से करवा रहे हो बेटा। थैंक यू रचना।
थैंक यू।
ये कुकीज बन गई है, अब इसको मैं करती हूँ चॉकलेट।
इसको अब खा लेना चाय के साथ।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
Actually, Rachna explained it so well कि जरूरत नहीं है questions की।
थैंक यू।
वो दे दो मुझे चॉकलेट।
किसी को कुछ पूछना है? और we wind up.
Anybody with any questions, please, because हमारा meeting schedule था 4 to 5:30. We thought 10 minutes we'll have a Q&A session. अगर किसी के पास कोई भी queries हो, हमारे पास एक beautiful chef with so much loaded with love and sweet answers. आपके पास जैसी भी queries हो regarding baking, we have Rachna here to answer all your queries. So you can all unmute yourself and put up the questions if not in the chat box. There is somebody who's raising hand. No.
Don't see any hand raised.
नहीं, वो नीचे कर दिया। मुझे लगा था somebody is raising hand. Okay, Ratna, so the parchment paper has to be used as a cone for the decoration, या आप butter paper से कर?
You can use a piping bag. You can use a poly bag. अगर poly bag sturdy है, you can do that. Not the वो जो handle वाली आती है, वो नहीं, plain straight वाली poly bag. You can do anything. I mean हर चीज की जुगाड़ है. If you don't have anything, कोई जरूरी नहीं है आपके पास में सारे इक्विपमेंट हो। अगर आपके पास में कप मेजर्स नहीं है, स्पून नहीं है, अगर आप कटोरी से मेजर कर रहे हो, बी श्योर आप वही कटोरी पूरी रेसिपी में यूज करो। इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू हैव अ मेजर कप और अ मेजर स्पून। एंड एक बार आप ट्रायल करोगे, यू विल गो रॉन्ग, यू विल गेट द हैंग ऑफ इट, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा व्हाट टू डू द नेक्स्ट टाइम। Basically, लोग baking से डरते हैं, it's a phobia. But I mean, it's a science. Basically, it's a science. You have to understand the science. See, ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ, इसमें ये चीज क्यों डाली जाती है, कितनी डाली जाती है। हर रेसिपी में बेकिंग पाउडर और बेकिंग सोडा नहीं होता। किस रेसिपी में सोडा किस चीज के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, उसमें बेकिंग पाउडर क्यों नहीं डाला जाता है। You have to understand that. Once you get the hang of it, then it's easy, very easy.
Bhabhi, the whipping cream we get in the market is the same we use for decorating the cake. We have to whip that same cream what you get in baker's factory. The whipping.
You mean the non-dairy whipping cream, right?
Yeah, the whipping cream normal, the carton you get. Yeah, non-dairy.
Whipping cream अमूल की भी आती है, that is with a higher percentage of fat, और mostly non-dairy cream जो soy based होती है वो यूज होती है।
should use that.
The brands are like Rich, Chocolate, Shine Road, ये सारे brands हैं.
And Bhabhi, like
They're non-dairy.
non-dairy. What you
Yeah,
get
they
in
are
the market.
non-dairy, they are soy based. And whipping cream जो dairy based होती है, that is the Amul red pack, that is not the blue pack. Blue pack has, I think, 27% of fat. That is, I think, 30% plus fat. The red pack.
And they are not sugar free also. They are not sugar free also.
None of them are sugar free. The Amul one is the soy one, the non-dairy has sugar in it.
So, Bhabhi, I mean, how much consistency should use to whip them? I mean, how do we know that whipping cream is ready? Whipping, how much should we whip them?
I didn't get your question.
How much should we whip the whipping cream? How do we know that it is ready to, spread on the
Whipping
cake?
cream is ready. Okay. आप उसको whip कर रहे हो, you using a hand beater, right? After a while, it starts thickening up, and then आप अपना like you just lift your hand beater, and if it doesn't fall off your base, that means it is formed stiff peaks and is ready for activation. If it falls off, then that means that you have to bring it, or when you start beating, make it a point not to start with the higher speed. Beat at the lower speed. क्योंकि आपने एकदम से higher speed पे beat करना शुरू किया, so it will dry up, and then it will go on. इसमें heat बहुत ज़्यादा generate हो जाएगी, it will not get stabilized.
Thank you, Bhabhi. Please switch on your camera तो हम लोग एक group photograph ले लेंगे. Take a screenshot.
All of you, please put on your cameras so that you can have the screenshot. Bhabhi, Pallavi Bhabhi, Shilpi, Alka, Edahi, Manisha, Shushma Bhabhi, all of you, please put on your camera. We'll have a nice picture. So, Ratna, we are running out of time. It's almost 5:25. Thank you so much for such an informative webinar. सबको बहुत मजा आया. I'm very Please, my confidence. I was always confused. Microwave and oven, like I don't know, like पता नहीं है ठीक से. So I saw Ritu baking, I saw Radhika baking, and with your accuracy of ingredient list, इन लोगों का भी बहुत ही marvelous cooking हुई. Agree, Ritu and Radhika. So thank you. A big round of applause for Rachna to give us this opportunity. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, Rachna.
Thank you.
I thank Rotary for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you. And indeed,
And
Thank you,
I just wanted to do a fun thing for the club, so I got a good opportunity.
life is very short. Say no to cake, biscuits, and pastries. So, friends, keep baking along and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I now request our president to adjourn the meeting.
I adjourn the meeting. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.